gates open, they're up and racing. Tiger Moon draws for your lead, moving up to take second. Elusive Cut running by the rail is Moraita. Then on the outside is Moscow Ballet, followed by Perfect Material. Then running by the rail Redemption, followed by entry number 4. And that is that's 3A, Andalusia, heading towards the last 800. Now we have Tiger Moon in command by about 2 lengths. Elusive Caris in second. Moscow Ballet on the outside, running by the rail Perfect Material, then followed by Moraita Redemption. Andalusia moving up on the outside, and trailing the group is Speed Spell, heading towards the last 450. Tiger Moon maintaining a length and a half lead. Elusive Cat moving up on the outside. Moscow Ballet then running by the rail Perfect Material. As they turn for home, it's still Tiger Moon by about 2 lengths. Elusive Cat, Perfect Material is by the rail. Moscow Ballet and Speed Spell with the last 150 more to run. Tiger Moon this time by about 6 lengths over Elusive Cat. And finally, from start to finish, it's Tiger Moon, Elusive Cat, Perfect Material, Speed Spell, Moscow Ballet. Then comes Moraita Redemption, and Andalusia comes in last.